When it comes to sharing moments on Instagram, location tagging has always played a key role in connecting us to places, experiences, and people. But what exactly is precise location on Instagram, and why does it matter for users and creators alike? Let's break it down and uncover how this powerful feature can shape your social media presence. Precise location on Instagram refers to the ability to tag the exact spot where your photo or video was taken, rather than just a general area or city. Instead of simply tagging New York City or Central Park, you can pinpoint the specific cafe, street, or even a landmark where you captured your moment. This level of detail brings posts to life, allowing your followers to see not just what you're doing, but exactly where it's happening. Why is this important? In today's digital age, authenticity and relevance are everything. When your followers see a post tagged with a precise location, it builds trust and credibility. It shows that your content is real, relatable, and rooted in actual experiences. For businesses, influencers, and everyday users, precise location tagging can be a game changer. If you're a local business, tagging your exact location can draw in potential customers who are nearby and searching for places to visit. If you're an influencer, it lets you share hidden gems, trendy hotspots, or travel adventures with your audience, making your recommendations more actionable and appealing. Instagram's location feature also helps your content become more discoverable. When you tag a precise location, your post appears in that location's feed. People exploring that spot can stumble upon your content, increasing your reach and engagement. It's an organic way to grow your audience, connect with local communities, and even collaborate with brands or other creators. But with great power comes great responsibility. Sharing your precise location can have privacy implications. It's important to be mindful about when and how you use this feature. Famety always recommends considering your safety and personal boundaries. You don't have to tag every post with your exact location. Sometimes a general area is enough. Always be aware of who can see your posts and what information you're sharing. Let's talk about how to use precise location. When you upload a photo or video, Instagram will prompt you to add location. Here, you'll see a list of nearby spots. You can search for the specific place, or even create a new one if it doesn't exist yet. By selecting a precise location, you're linking your post to that spot's feed, making it visible to anyone browsing the location. It's simple, but incredibly effective. For businesses, precise location tagging opens up endless possibilities. Imagine running a cafe, restaurant, or boutique. Tagging your exact address in your posts can help locals find you with ease. It also allows you to engage with people who have visited your location, building a sense of community and loyalty. Famity's services can help amplify this effect, providing likes, comments, and shares to boost your visibility and reputation in your chosen locale. For creators and influencers, precise location tagging can set you apart. Share your favorite hangouts, breathtaking views, or secret spots with your audience. Use Famity's tools to spark engagement and grow your following, making your content stand out in even the busiest feeds. Ultimately, precise location on Instagram is more than just a tag. It's a bridge between your digital story and the real world. It helps you connect, discover, and inspire. And with Famety by your side, you can harness this feature to supercharge your social media strategy, reaching new audiences and building lasting relationships. So next time you post, consider tagging your precise location and see how it transforms your Instagram experience.